It's okay. As I saw that today's we will discuss about Delhi and what are the advantage of it living in Delhi, and what are the things which you don't like about this city. And mostly of our participant had spent time in Delhi, so I think that everyone can recall the advantage and the disadvantages of the city. Today we will start from Abdullah. Yes, we are going to start from you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Do you ever visit Delhi? Do you ever visited Delhi?
Yes, sir. I visited Delhi some many time, but no stay there. Stay 1 year, one day or 2 day.
Did not
That's
stay
it.
there. It's
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
It's okay.
Thank you, sir.
Continue. Carry on.
Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen wassalatu wassalam ala nabiyyina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in wa ba'd. Today is my topic, my dear sir and my dear brothers. Today is my topic. What things you like about
Assalamu
Delhi
alaikum
and what
warahmatullah.
things you don't like
Walaikum salam.
of it. Delhi is
Assalamu alaikum.
our
मेरी आवाज
Walaikum
आ
capital.
salam
रही
rahmatullah.
है?
Salam, salam.
Salam.
Delhi is a big city. It is our capital also. In Delhi, many
सर
places
वाइज
and
आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
शफीक साहब, आपकी आवाज आ रही है बिल्कुल साफ.
हाँ सर मेरी जा रही है ना.
हेलो.
आपकी भी जा.
Your network is very
चलिए आप
slow.
कंटिन्यू करिए.
कल से पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है मेरे मोबाइल में. इस टाइम नेटवर्क बहुत ज्यादा इशू हो जाता है.
Okay, sir. I said to you, Delhi is the second large city in our country, and it is our capital also. In Delhi, many places and parks and historical buildings. But if you ask me what you like in Delhi, first of all, I say to you, I like universities such as Jamia Millia, Jamia Hamdard, JNU, Aligarh, or also Sanabil, also other universities. If I got a chance for complete my higher education, PhD or other course, I will try it inshallah also in from to JNU or Jamia or other universities. After that,
Yeah.
I like also I very like also Jamia Masjid.
Very like me.
And
I like too much. I like very much.
Yeah, too much. I like it too much. Jamia Masjid and this area, its area, because I will travel in first in 1 year, and I arrived in Delhi and stay
I
here.
will travel का मतलब क्या हुआ अब्दुल्ला साहब?
No, sorry, sir. I travel. I
traveled.
traveled in early this year, and I stay and I arrive in Delhi. I
जब पिछली बात करेंगे आप सब सेकंड फॉर्म यूज करेंगे. आप अगर गुलिस्तान जमाने की बात कर रहे हैं तो सब सेकंड फॉर्म. आई स्टेड, आई अराइव्ड. ठीक है.
I stayed and I arrived in Delhi. I no go to Mumbai because I know I don't know about street and I don't know about him.
I know go
And
to से बेहतर है I don't go to Delhi, Mumbai. I know go to नहीं, I don't go to.
Yeah. I don't go to Delhi, Mumbai because I don't know about him. And I heard my I was right about it, and I heard also, and I heard also my friends, it is a very very big city, but it is congested area because I don't traveled to Mumbai.
बिकॉज की
In
जगह यहाँ अगर
Delhi,
आप लाते दैट इज वाई आई डोंट, तो ज्यादा बेहतर रहता
okay sir,
इसकी
thank
वजह
you.
से मैं मुंबई, ठीक है,
ये
That is
हाँ,
why.
इसके
चलिए.
क्या होगा सर उसका? ये
दैट इज वाई,
that
दैट इज वाई
that
आई
is
डू नॉट लाइक टू ट्रेवल दिल्ली मुंबई.
yeah. Thank you, sir. In Delhi, I like Metia Mahal area because I know about him. I know where is
हिम नहीं, जानदार
shop.
के लिए हिम यूज होता है, और कोई बेजान चीज है तो
it.
इट.
Yes, sir. Yeah. In this area, some hotels. We found some hotels also, and we get some money exchangers, and in this area also some hotel for living. I like also in Delhi hotel Haldiram. Yeah. Haldiram, it is our very lovely hotel also.
फेवरेट.
Favorite hotel also, because when I came in Saudi Arabia, I purchased some gifts for our teachers and friends in this shop. Yeah.
अच्छा, आपको अगर बोलना हो जब भी मैं सऊदी अरब आता हूँ तो अपने साथीदार उसके लिए वो गिफ्ट लेता हूँ, तो कैसे बोलेंगे
सर? तो when ही हम इस्तेमाल किए हैं,
whenever, क्या बोलेंगे? whenever,
जब भी. Yes sir.
हाँ,
whenever, जब भी
एक साथ रहेगा. whenever, EVER, when,
whenever, जब भी. Yes sir, thank you. And my second part of my topic is what things I don't like of it. I say about this Delhi is a very large city. It is a very large city, and there are many people came from many cities for earning money, because in this city some people are sleep on the road, and many people and many workers have not best room, and have not a best place for living. Also in Delhi, I don't like if I say about the political, I can say it is very dirty political in this time in Delhi also, because it is a capital. All members of parliaments or other field of government stay here, they are living here. They are living in this city, but in political behavior, his behavior not good, not good for
their
us.
behaviors are not good for us.
Their behavior are not good for us. Yeah, and I also don't like in Delhi some places, some area. In this also they are no clean. Before Olympic, the government try to make this city a beautiful. Tried. the government tried to make this city as a beautiful city, but he can't do this. Only some area is focused, and this some area are very beautiful with flowers, and road is very beautiful also. If you go to this area, you to say I am not in India, in Delhi. I want such as in all Delhi, by road and by park and also other things. That is enough, sir.
That's good. Very nice. You have talked uh, many things about Delhi. It was nice talk. Anybody want to ask any question to him? It's okay. We will ask later if we'll get the chance. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
After that, I would like to listen. We would like to listen from Mr. Wasim. Are you ready, Wasim?
Yeah, sir. I'm ready.
Yes. Open the camera and start whatever you have prepared.
Assalamu alaikum
Yes.
warahmatullahi.
Walaikum assalam.
Today's topic is what things you like about Delhi and what things you don't like of it. Dear friends, Delhi is the capital of India. As you know,
Hmm.
Delhi is a beautiful place in India and people likes to live in India. Sorry, in Delhi. But
People.
people like to live in Delhi.
Hmm.
But in Delhi, we cannot travel without traffic.
Hmm.
And this state is not secure for tourists. Some
Hmm.
places are very beautiful and attractive in Delhi, but we cannot travel without anyone because Delhi has many criminals, rapists, thieves, and pocket mark.
Hmm. पॉकेट मार क्या बोला आपने?
Pocket mark.
होता यूज
Pocket
होता है ये
mark.
सर?
पता नहीं इसे यूज कर दिया हो सर.
नहीं, पॉकेट के साथ आप मार लगा रहे हैं, मार्क्स लगा रहे हैं, क्या लगा रहे हैं?
पॉकेट मार कह रहे हो सर हिंदी में?
नहीं नहीं, वो तो है, जाहिर सी बात है, नहीं यूज होता है. क्या कोई हेल्प कर दे भाई, पॉकेट मारने वाले के लिए क्या यूज हो सकता है? एक वर्ड आता है मेरे जहन में, इस वक्त आ नहीं रहा है. चलिए खैर, अभी किसी जहन में नहीं आ रहा है. चलिए आगे चलिए.
But instead all malfunction. Delhi is best place to live.
और
And all malfunction, खराबी.
मलफेक्शन मतलब स्पेलिंग बताइएगा.
MULFUNCTION.
अच्छा, अब एक चीज समझ लीजिए, यम नहीं बोलेंगे अब आइंदा से, एम बोलेंगे. आप क्या बोलेंगे?
M.
हाँ, यल नहीं, एल. ठीक है, जो थोड़ा सा ये हम लोग के देहात वालों का रहती है आदत, छुड़ा देंगे, छूट जाएगी, कोई मुश्किल नहीं है.
जी सर.
तो यम नहीं, एम, यल नहीं,
M.
एल. ठीक है,
जी सर.
चलिए.
MULFUNCTION. Malfunction.
Malfiction.
But instead all malfunction. Delhi is best place to live. And best things in Delhi, most Delhians are very polite and helpful. I'm not saying everyone, but Delhi is very clean. Delhi is very clean and comfortable to residents. It provides everything for everyone,
Mm.
like food. In Delhi, various variety. In Delhi, various parts of dishes. Delhi is probably the only metro city,
Mm.
and I like to live in Delhi because we can buy everything easily. When
Mm.
which things we need, we can
Mm.
say दिल्ली तो दिल वालों की है.
Very good.
Delhi have many parks and gardens. Uh, when we walk and
What
enjoy.
thing we need आपने कहा, बिल्कुल सही कहा, सेंटेंस सही है. अगर वहीं पे कहते हैं वॉट एवर वी नीड तो तब भी ज्यादा थोड़ा सा अच्छा जुमला लगेगा,
Whatever we need.
जो भी हम चाहें. हम्म.
And Delhi has many parks and gardens. When we walk and do enjoy. That's enough, sir.
डू नहीं लगाने होता, एंजॉय एंजॉय.
And enjoy.
चलिए चलिए ठीक है. That was nice. I prepared it very well.
Sir, I have a
And many
question
new sentence also you have. Yes, ask.
to my brother Wasim.
Yeah.
Yes.
Brother Wasim, you stay in Delhi, sir?
Yeah.
I am right?
Yeah.
Please,
I has been studying in Delhi 3 years.
Alhamdulillah. Please,
For 3 years.
please say to me some some important place of Delhi which you like.
Some
I like
historical places of the Delhi.
I like historical place in Delhi. I like Lal Killa because
It's okay.
Okay.
we can see ancient weapons in Lal Killa,
Very good.
and it is a historical palace.
Yeah.
So
Thank you.
I like it.
It's okay. Very good.
And what is your
Very good.
opinion about Jama Masjid? It is made with stone only.
Yeah, it is also beautiful. It is also beautiful, and
Yeah.
I went.
Abdullah, you don't think that is too much dirty?
What, sir?
You don't think that the area of Jama Masjid is too much dirty?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I like this area because there is something.
The only thing which we find there is the eatable things, the nahari and kofta and biryani. Nothing to read, nothing for in the spiritual development. There is very less thing.
Around
also in Delhi we can't found in other place.
Yes, Wasim.
Around the mosque area is very dirty.
Yes. There are many funds which are provided for that. Like government also gives the money, and the Masjid Waqf board is also giving the money, and the historical department is also giving the money to the authorities of Jama Masjid. But I think they are just filling their stomach, and they do not want to spend that on the on these kinds of things. It's okay. Yes, Muhammad Akram, are you able to hear us?
Yes, sir. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Have you prepared today's topic?
Yes, sir.
Yes, go ahead, and if you can open your camera, that will be better for us.
Sir, at this time, I am on roof and
okay, no issue.
And
no issue. Continue.
Yes.
Okay, no issue.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Dear audience, as you know that our today's topic is what things you like about Delhi and what things you don't like of it. In fact, I stayed in this popular city almost 2 years studying in Jamia Islamia Sanabil, and for this I am able to talk some things about this topic. First of all, I am going to light on these things which had impressed me very more.
Hmm.
Number one, educational fields. I found this city filled educational fields.
Hmm.
Religious and modern universities have been established in this city. Every student who wants to study for a long time, this place is very suitable for him.
Very good.
Number two,
Hmm.
metro train for traveling. I found that metro train is available on many places in Delhi. It is very comfortable for traveling and its fare even is less than others. Number three,
Hmm.
this city is very popular for visiting.
Hmm.
Many historic buildings are established
Historical.
by historical. Many historical
Hmm.
buildings are established by experts and they are very beautiful. The foreigners come to visit them and enjoy. Now let's move to these things which are which which are disliked. Number one, drinking water. The
Hmm.
water is not comfortable and delectable for drinking in Delhi. Everyone has to take filter water, and without it, the living is difficult.
Hmm.
Number two, the bad weather. The good weather is most important for human health, but unfortunately, I was facing bad weather staying in Delhi. I saw many students facing and suffering from illness many times due to bad weather.
Hmm.
Here are many things also, but I finish my talk on it, and a lot of thanks you for listening me. It's enough,
It's
sir.
okay. Very good. That was nice discussion. Are you reading from your page or just you are speaking with from your mind?
I am reading in page.
So regularly you see in your page, or sometimes you see and sometimes you speak from your mind.
Today I I was reading regularly.
It's okay, no issue. But that give you less benefit. It is also benefit for you because you yourself have created this paragraph. But if you speak without seeing the copy, that will be much beneficial for you. But this is also good for you. It's okay. Anybody want to ask any question?
Okay, sir. Inshallah I will try from next week.
It's
Inshallah.
okay. Inshallah. Now, Shafiq, your turn is come now, and it's last, I think. Yes. open your mic, and if you can open your camera, it will be also good. If you are not able, then no problem.
Sir, my area's big
Yes.
problem with network.
It's okay. So continue without camera.
Thank you, sir. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear friends, there are many things in every city what people like them, and many things that the people does not like.
Mm.
Dear friends, Delhi is and one of them. This is my
People
good.
does not like या do not like.
Do not रहेगा सर, मैं does not लिखा था. Do not रहेगा.
ठीक है. Do not like.
Not like.
Delhi is and one of them. This is my luck that I had lived in Delhi 7 years, and I know
Very good.
good and bad things about Delhi. Dear friends, those things that I like about Delhi, they are mentioned below. Number
मेंशन
one,
बिलो रिटर्न में यूज होता है, और आप स्पीक कर रहे हैं तो आप बोल सकते हैं आई विल मेंशन हियर.
Yeah,
yes sir.
I will mention here.
Delhi is an important city. Delhi is an international city. The tourists come to Delhi from around of the whole world.
सर मेंशन यानी कि जो मंदरजा जो हम लोग बोलते हैं वही है क्या?
हाँ,
मेंशन मतलब जिक्र करना. अना अज़कुरु फित्ताली.
जी मंदरजा जो हम लोग बोलते हैं जी बित्ताली. हाँ जी.
The tourists come to Delhi from around of the world, and Delhi has historical buildings like Red Fort, Jama Masjid, Golden Temple, Humayun Maqbara, Nehru and Indira Gandhi Museum. Like this,
हुमायूं मकबरा और हुमायूं टॉम.
जी Humayun Maqbara. These
मकबरा
mentioned things,
is translated. मकबरा is translated in English as tomb. ठीक है.
Tomb.
हुमायूं टॉम्ब.
Mayu Tom.
Yes, sir,
TOM,
thank
sir.
TOMB.
TOM.
those mentions
Yes.
things or places I had already visited with you, sir, in 2016. Galiban.
Yes, I remember it. That was very nice trip.
Yes, sir. Like this, railway museum, science museum are in Delhi city. Dear friends, Delhi is our national capital, so we love Delhi. And the important reason for my loving Delhi that I had completed my education from Delhi, from Sanabil, that is the area of Delhi. In Delhi is are those things who is bad. I will mention.
इस और आर एक साथ यूज नहीं होगा. फिर से सेंटेंस यूज कीजिए.
सर इस आ गया था, फिर उसके बाद मैंने मतलब क्या बोलते हैं.
अच्छा.
जी जी. नासिक मंसूख का भी तकलीफ यहाँ पे देते रहे.
In Delhi, air pollution is very bad, and traffic issue. This is traffic issue in Delhi, also very bad. So something in Delhi who does not like, who do not, who people,
which
they people, which do not, they people do not like.
which और who में क्या फर्क है?
से which thing के लिए आता है.
which और who में वसीम क्या फर्क है? which और who?
which के माना सर जो होता है, और who माने होता है
अकरम. क्या फर्क है which और who में?
जी सर, वो क्या कहते हैं, हु को इस्तेमाल करते हैं जो उनके लिए, जानदार के लिए, और विच को बेजान के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं।
वेरी गुड। हु का यूज हम लोग जानदार के लिए करते हैं और विच का यूज हम लोग बेजान चीजों के लिए या गैर आखिल चीजों के लिए करते हैं। चलिए कंटिन्यू करिए।
Oh, yeah, sir. And traffic is air pollution and traffic issue in Delhi, which the people do not like. That enough, sir.
Very good. Very good. It's okay. Anybody want to ask any question to us, Shafiq? Nobody want to ask any question? Yes, Shafiq. If we compare Delhi with Mumbai, you have to give the number. How much number from 10 numbers you will give to Delhi and how much numbers you will give to Mumbai? Shafiq. Did you get my question, Shafiq? Shafiq, are you able to hear us?
Idol Masjid.
Your voice is